Kale is a winter superstar. It actually gets sweeter after light frost. Choose compact or dwarf varieties and grow them in 3 to 5 gallon pots. It grows well in full sun to partial shade. Harvest outer leaves. The plant will keep producing more leaves for months. Spinach loves cool weather and grows beautifully in wide, shallow pots. Keep the soil consistently moist and give it good light. You can pick tender leaves for salads and cooking all season. Lettuce is perfect for salads and sandwiches. Loose leaf and butterhead lettuces are ideal for growing in pots. Use wide containers. Many varieties tolerate light frost. Cut the outer green leaves to get continuous greens. Harvest early for salad or later for lettuce. Swiss chard looks beautiful with its colorful stems. It tolerates cold better than most people think. One plant in a 3 to 5 gallon pot keeps producing large leaves throughout winter in milder climates. Radishes are fast growing and perfect for pots in full sun. Grow in loose, well draining soil and provide consistent watering. Choose round or short varieties and sow them in wide, relatively shallow containers. Longer variety radishes need taller pots. They are ready to pick in as little as 3-4 weeks. Green onions are almost effortless in pots. Plant seeds in any decent size container. Cut the tender leaves when you need. They will keep regrowing. More winter vegetables. You can also grow mustard greens, compact broccoli or mini cabbage, short carrot varieties, and snow peas if you protect from hard freezes. Here are a few key tips for winter pot vegetable success. Choose pots with drainage holes. Terracotta can crack in freezing temperatures, so plastic pots are safer to use. Use a quality free draining potting mix. Most of these winter vegetables need 4 to 6 hours of direct sun. Water less only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Protect from hard freezes with frost cloth, moving pots against a wall or bringing them under cover overnight. Feed lightly every few weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer once plants are established. That is how you can get fresh vegetables even in the middle of winter. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more simple gardening ideas. Stay warm and happy growing. See you next time.